Why are you still broke? Not because you're lazy, not because you're stupid, but because nobody taught you how money actually works. Right now, you're probably overwhelmed with college stress, working a minimum wage job, or scrolling TikTok for side hustle ideas that never work. Meanwhile, people your age are making $10,000 in a month from their laptop. And the truth is, the game is rigged in favor of action takers, not A+ students. If you're a student right now and want to make your first $10,000 online in 2025, this video is your blueprint. No fluff, no scams, no crypto casino or drop shipping fantasies. This is exactly what I'd do if I had to start from $0 today, with no skills, no connections, just a phone or laptop. Stay with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know the exact roadmap to turn your time, attention, and skills into real income, even while you're still in school. Here's the biggest trap students fall into. They think income comes after graduation. Wrong. In the real world, you don't get paid for how smart you are. You get paid for solving problems. So before I show you the actual money-making strategies, you need to adopt this mindset. Don't chase money. Solve expensive problems. Ask yourself, what skills are people willing to pay for? What do I already know that could help someone else? What's one thing I can get good at in 30 days? Because your first $10,000 won't come from passion. It'll come from becoming useful. To make real money, you need one thing, a monetizable skill. And no, you don't need to be an expert. You just need to be one step ahead of the person you're helping. Here are 3 beginner-friendly high-income skills that students can learn in 30 to 60 days. 1. Copywriting. Businesses pay for words that sell. Emails, landing pages, social media captions. Learn from free resources like Alex Catoni, Neville Medhora, or go deep with a $10 Udemy course. 2. Short-form video editing. Brands and creators are begging for editors. Learn CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or Premiere Pro. Practice editing TikToks or Reels for free. Post them on Twitter/X and tag creators. 3. AI prompt writing and automation. If you can master ChatGPT, Midjourney, or even Zapier automations, you're golden. Learn how to help businesses automate tasks, generate content, or build tools. Remember, don't waste 6 months perfecting a skill. Learn just enough and start monetizing immediately. Now let's get paid. Earn and learn. You've got the skill. Most people post on Fiverr or Upwork and wait. That's not how we do it. Here's the better way. Create a high-converting profile. Use keywords like AI writer, Reels editor, SEO blog writer. Use templates, but personalize the intro. Upload 2 to 3 sample projects, even if they're fake clients. Just show your work. Send personalized pitches daily. Aim for 10 custom proposals a day. In the next chapter, I'll show you how to turn one client into $1,000 plus per month without working more hours. Here's where the real money starts. Let's say you land one $100 gig. Great. Now what? You don't want one-time payments. You want recurring income. Here's the 3-step client growth formula. Over-deliver on the first job. Identify gaps in their business. Are they missing emails, content, automation? Pitch a monthly package. I can create 8 TikToks for you per month for $500. I'll write 4 SEO blog posts/month for $700. I'll manage your email list for $400 per month. Suddenly, that $100 client turns into $1,000 per month. Repeat that 3 times, and you've hit $3,000 per month. That's $10,000 in just over 3 months. Want to unlock insane opportunities? Share your progress publicly. Post on LinkedIn, X, or TikTok. I just made $250 editing TikToks for a fitness coach, learning AI writing. Day July 30th, client just paid me $500 for an email funnel. I'm in shock. Why? The internet rewards visibility. Clients, collaborators, and even job offers will start coming to you. You don't need to go viral. Just be consistent and honest. Don't build in silence. Build in public. Here are some tools to speed things up. Notion or Trello. Organize your workflow. Canva plus CapCut equals design and edit like a pro. ChatGPT plus Claude plus Perplexity equals for writing, research, and ideation. Loom for sending client video proposals. Build trust fast. Toggle or Clockify. Track time if you're juggling classes plus freelance. And if you're feeling overwhelmed, start with 1 client, 1 skill, and 1 goal. Make $100 fast. The momentum will change your life. Most students stay broke because they follow the old map: study, graduate, pray for a job. But you're smarter than that. You now have a roadmap to your first $10,000. Learn one high-income skill. Get one paying client. Turn it into monthly income. Build publicly. Expand slowly. And remember, in a world where everyone is consuming, the creators control the game. So start building. Start earning. And when you hit your first $10,000, come back and tell me in the comments. Subscribe if this helped you. Watch the next video, because making money is step 1. Keeping and growing it is step 2.